He's the personal trainer who was tired of the quarantine weight gain complaints, so he started a quarantine challenge, leading to some pretty amazing transformations. Check him out.
Hey guys, I'm Tarrant, firefighter, owner of the Fit Factory in New Jersey. I created the Turn Up 28, which is a 28-day fitness challenge that's designed to make you turn up in 28 days and get the best body you can get in that short period of time. The Turn Up 28 workout was created in the beginning of quarantine. All gyms got shut down. And there were some people who stopped being active. When you're home, you're bored. And when you're bored, a lot of people tend to snack. So those pounds could sneak up on you, and before you know it, you gain 10, 15, maybe even more pounds. I designed the 28-day program for people who didn't have equipment in the comfort of their own home that could still get maximum results from just using their body weight. So each individual in my program received a meal guide. I sent them workouts to do every single day, jumping jacks, squats, mountain climbers, sit-ups, Russian twists, and also had an accountability group. We had a Facebook group where everybody was required to send me pictures of every single meal they had every single day for the 28 days, and they were also required to record and upload their videos of the workouts provided for them so I could make sure that they were doing them so they could have success with the program. Everybody lost weight. Some people lost 10 pounds, some people lost 15 pounds, and we even had somebody lose 22 pounds. Collectively, during the 28-day challenge, the whole group lost 160 pounds total.
Here are my top 4 weight loss tips. Tip number 1, diet. Diet is super important. It doesn't matter how hard you work out or how long you work out. If you do not have a proper diet in place, you will not lose weight. My philosophy on diet is a whole foods, unprocessed based approach. Now, what does that mean? That means if it's not found in nature, you should not eat it. Tip number 2, water intake. Water intake is extremely important. Try to get at least 5 to 6 bottles of water in a day. Water helps flush out your digestive system, helps hydrate your muscles, and also may help with hunger cravings. Tip number 3, make sure you get your weekly workouts in. That might be 3 times for a beginner or 6 times for the more advanced trainee. These sessions should last from 30 to 60 minutes, and pick exercises that are enjoyable for you and cause you to challenge yourself and get a good sweat. Tip number 4, set a goal. You always need to constantly get better. If the first week you only worked out for 30 minutes, maybe the next week you'll pick it up to 45. Maybe you'll do 10 more reps of squats instead of 5. You always want to push yourself and get better. Those are my 4 weight loss tips. Hope you guys enjoy.
Great story. Boy, do I love the accountability. Keep up the good work, Tarrant. To catch more fitness tips from Tarrant, go to thedoctorstv.com.